Today, I'm gonna tell you a story that if I planned it or have asked for someone to call me at the same time or that moment, couldn't be so perfect or so timely. I was literally in the middle of recording lesson 5.4 for the Drone Pilot Masterclass. The topic was how to negotiate using tactical empathy. Then my phone rang. It was a new client. He asked the one question that kills most drone business before they even start. He asked, how much do you charge? Most pilots choke here. They panic. I used the exact technique I was teaching at that second, and it turned a potential no into a $6,000 yes. 99% of pilots answer the money question instantly. They give a flat day rate. They say, I charged $500 for the morning. You have just told the client you are a commodity. You are a guy with a drone. You sound like everyone else on Facebook. When you do this, you are begging for work. You have zero leverage. The client is now in control of your bank account. I did not give him a number. I gave him a choice. This is called bracketing. I used Chris Voss' tactical empathy to anchor the value before the price. I set a low anchor for a basic flight and a high anchor for a full industrial asset package. I talked about liability. I talked about data security and professional editing. I was not selling photos. I was selling the removal of his business risk. I gave him a choice between being a hobbyist or being a professional partner. He did not even blink. He picked the $6,000 package. Why? Because I addressed his fear of bad result. I did not sell him on my 4K camera or my passion for fly. I solved a business problem. This call proved that the math in the Drone Pilot Masterclass is not just theory. It is a live weapon that makes money the second you use it. The exact script I used to close that deal is inside lesson 5.4. I have recorded all of phase 1 and phase 2. Now, I'm looking for 5 pilots to join as founding members. I want 5 people who are ready to stop being technicians and start being CEOs. The link is below. If you are tired of the $250 trap, join the waitlist now. Stop playing pilot and start building your empire. I see you on the next one.